Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. It's nice and cool outside. And by looking at Mr. Bob Harlan's weather report this morning, it's going to be cool all week. It's not even going to hit 90 here in Sutter County, California. Oh, I can hardly wait. All right, last night was a super easy day. It was Sunday dinner with Robin last night, and she chose BLTAs minus the L, so they were BTAs. That's bacon, tomato, and avocado sandwiches. The bacon was perfect. Then the side was classic dill red potato salad. Nailed it. Got it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'll get the recipe for the potato salad up this morning, like I always do. Today, the Culinary Expedition continues. We're going to be in Jordan. I was looking over my recipe this morning, and I found another very similar. I mean, the first one was not written well at all. Basic same ingredient list, better instructions. The first one left out where to add the seasoning, add the spices. It can go in several places. So I got a complete recipe. By the way, I'm preparing Jordanian Mansaf. Now, according to my research, this is it's Jordan's national dish, and this is also a Bedouin dish. This is served family style, so I'm going to try to recreate that as best as I can. All right, let's get to it. All right, hardware. I'm going to be using the brazier. The baking dish is I need to soak the protein for about an hour in water. So that's what that's for. I need to saute some nuts, pine nuts, and almonds in ghee. That's for this pan for, and I'm going to be cooking some rice. Now, there might be another pan in here somewhere. All right. This dish calls for lamb or beef. I'll be using beef today. I mentioned ghee, so there's ghee involved. Greek yogurt, yellow onion, egg white, kosher salt, black pepper, almonds, pine nuts, and for the spices, here we go. Coriander, cumin, paprika, cardamom, cinnamon, clove, and nutmeg. The bottom layer is actually a flatbread. I'll be using the roti, and parsley is just for garnish. So here's all the goodies for tonight's Mansaf out of Jordan. So on this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, my friends, have fun cooking.